Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and deposit check on TD Bank phone app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead step into our video. So for that matter, all you have to do is first of all access your TD Bank on your mobile phone and simply sign in with your account's information. So right over here you can see this option of deposit on top, right? All you have to do is simply tap on it. Upon doing that, you will be able to register for the deposit check on phone. Go ahead, tap on this register option. You will simply access the terms and condition of it. All you have to do is simply tap on this accept option afterwards. Once you have done so, you will be able to access the camera where you can go ahead scan the check of yours. All you have to do is simply fit into this lining given over here, simply place it and click the picture and simply scan it. Then finally you will be able to access this particular option called deposit check on top. It will simply ask you to enter the amount on top, which is optional as well. It will simply ask you to simply enter the picture, which will be the check's front on over here. Simply tap on it, enter the front picture, simply go ahead, tap on this back option and enter click the back picture of it. Once you have done accordingly and follow the prompts over shown by the TD Bank itself, you will be able to see this kind of interface when you have successfully deposited your check right there on your app. So make sure to follow all of the steps accordingly and you will be done. So this is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.